All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mario.
And this is unboxing time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got a package from the US. This is a package sent by A-Sha Foods down in California. They're a distributor for A-Sha in Taiwan. So let's crack it open to see what's inside. All right, so we got a note. So there's two packages of noodles in this one. There's the beef noodle soup, and there's a little introduction in this paperwork. They said it couldn't be done. A homemade style Taiwanese beef noodle soup your mom would be proud of that doesn't take hours to make and is not frozen. Not only is the taste authentic and genuine, the product is not frozen and is shelf stable. Ready whenever you are to have a delicious bowl of hot, fragrant Taiwanese braised beef noodle soup. Selected premium beef braised for soft and tasty texture. Unique wavy noodle which is springy and chewy, slow cooked, hearty broth, provides an addicting taste and warm, wholesome feeling. Well, that sounds good. Definitely gonna give this a try pretty quick. And for the second one, we have a spicy scallion knife cut noodle. Usually you have either spicy or you have scallion. You got them both in one pack in this one, folks. So yeah, this sounds pretty good, and we'll be checking that one out soon too. All right, well, cool. Thanks to the guys down in California for sending this up. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mario.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
And bye-bye.
Have a good one.
Bye.